Hello, this is the Diamonds Gaming here with another video. This video is not going to be mainly about anything gaming, but it's going to be how to make a Bukkit server for 1.6.1 and above, since there are some people out there that really don't know how to make one, so they can learn from this video. So the first thing you're going to do is search up Bukkit server in Google and go to deal.bukkit.org over here, and they're going to download the latest development build since there's no recommended build yet. So go ahead and download it. Since I already have it, I'm going to discard it. So over here you'll find your .jar. So what you can do, open a new folder and name it Bukkit server 1.6.1 and then drag it in there. Now before you do anything, do not click this. If you do click this, then go to taskbar and end the task of anything with Java, since this is not the correct way to open it. As the normal classic vanilla, you can click the .jar, but do not click the .jar as the Bukkit version. So next what you're going to do is go to wiki.bukkit.org, this one, and here you'll find there's Windows. You can follow Linux and Mac OS X. I have Windows and I do not know how to run it on Mac OS X or Linux, so I'm just going to say how to do it on Windows. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this, then go to the folder, do a new text document, and paste this. Then what you can do is save as run.bat. It has to be exactly as this, run.bat. After that, you save it. You can close this, and over here you'll see run.bat. This run.bat will have the code to run this jar file. Now when you run this, you'll find that it says unable to access jar file craftbukkit.jar. Press any key to continue. So what you have to do is, it thinks that the file is craftbukkit.jar, but this file is craftbukkit 1.6.1 ro.1. So what you do is you go here and do rename. You can name this into craftbukkit, but what I do is you can copy this, then come over here and edit and replace craftbukkit with this. Then according to the amount of RAM on your computer, you can come over here and change how many megabytes you want. And after you're done, so let me just change this to, I guess, 3000, and then you just do save. Now when you click the run.bat, everything starts. It's preparing the spawn area. And it's done. Now go ahead and just close this. And what you'll see here are your three worlds: world, nether, and end. Your banned IPs and banned players. This is just the Bukkit. It says what happens and the configuration file. This is the help configuration file. The ops, permissions, server log, and here's the properties. So allow nether true, level name, you can name it anything you want. allow flight. So it's basically what was there in the vanilla server. Server port, level type, enable Archon, level seed, force game mode, server IP. You can leave that blank if that is on your computer, since you can just do localhost. Max build height, spawn NPCs, true. Whitelist, spawn animals, hardcore, texture pack, online mode, true. If you do use cracked Minecraft, then you would have to turn this to false. If you use the normal Minecraft with the premium account, then make sure this is true. Warning that that if you make this false, then anybody can come with the fake name and possibly hack your server. Then there's PvP, difficulty, the game mode, creative, survival, adventure, max number of players, spawn monsters, generate structures, view distance, and your MOTD, like you can name it. Richcraft or Funcraft. So yeah, that's it. To change anything, do not delete any of this, just delete the false or true. Delete anything after the equal sign. And this is the whitelist if you have whitelist on, so which usernames can join your server. Then over here you can see plugins, so you can put in any plugins, like there's essentials, factions, and you see Grieflog, ships, no cheat plus. Those are some of the main needed plugins. There's World Guard, World Edit. Let me find and see if there's a plugin that we can use. Let's just try essentials. And oops, let's put essentials here. Now let's run the server. Now let's get out Minecraft and let's play. Now if you go to localhost, you will join the server. As you see, it says School Diamond logged in, and it's right over here. And there's losing the generated chunks. So yeah, that's mostly it. Then there's in-console commands, like if you want to chat, all you have to do is say hi, and then you can chat. Then there's reload, to reload the plugin without stopping it and kicking everyone off. You can do help, or this, and you see all the commands. I have essentials here, that's why there's a lot of commands. Then to just go and stop the server, all you have to do is do stop. And that's it. Now once you have a lot of plugins, let me just show you my server. As this is my server over here with Bukkit and a lot of commands, with 30 pages of commands, since I have 31 plugins. So yeah, and 3 aren't working, so you can just go, let's see, you can just go here and search in Bukkit plugins, and you get a list of Bukkit plugins. There's over about 500, so admin tools, anti-griefing tools, chat related, economy fixes, fun. I might do a video of plugins that are really needed for a server and ones that are really creative and fun. So yeah, I guess that's it. If you have any other questions, please comment or message me and I will try to fix your problem. So thank you and hope you can make your own Bukkit server. See ya.